Okay, I would like to explain about lab 27.2.15 about investigating malware. Next slide. So part 1, we will learn about Kibana. Part 2, investigate the exploit with SQL. Part 4, use Wireshark. And the last part, examine exploit artifact. So the first part, we must use VMware. Already install Security Onion. So in Security Onion, you will have Kibana, Subchef, SQL, the tools for do this lab. So we open Kibana. So username is analyze. So it's cyberops. Okay. So we wait. Okay. Then the time frame you must edit to see data from 1st January 2017. So you go to, so open it. So absolute change the date to 2017, 1st January, and then until 2017. Okay, 2017. January also, and then the last January of 2017. Click go. Okay, wait until the output total number of 1910. So this is, you see this point, just click. Click. Okay. Okay, you see the graph like this, but we want to see about the alert from NIDS. Okay, so click NIDS. Okay, so you see the output and the alert 157. So the graph same like step 2A. Then you highlight to make it bigger. Okay. Okay, and then click the first point. Okay, and then scroll down, see first alert. First alert. Okay, so expand the arrow. Okay, what is the time first detect? So time first detect from this NIDS alert is 27 January 2017, 22, 54, and 43 seconds. Okay, what is the IP address? So IP address 172.16.4.193, and then the destination is 194.87.234.129. So the destination port use 80. So we know 80 is a HTTP port. So the activity is Trojan. Trojan activity. Destination geo country name is Russian. In web browser computer, connect the internet, go to link, they provide signature into field the alert. So you must click the signature before. So just click, will open new tab. Okay, what is the malware family? So malware family is exploit kit RIG. So the signature severity is major. Okay, what is exploit kit? So we search on the internet, the exploit kit is multiple website redirect to infect a computer malware. So this type alert become kit for exploit malware. Okay, and then go back to the Kibana. Okay, at the same part, go to ID. Okay, ID. Okay, just click will opening get me. Okay, so picket file related release alert is this one. Get me detection, gzip encoding. So timestamp same as output from Kibana. So this is a get. Then the website, the component website is home improvement. Okay, what website the user intend to connect? So the website user to connect is this one, homeimprovement.com. What are the browser refer to the user to? So tyubenme.com. What kind of content is crashed by the source host from me.com? Why could this be looking at DST? So the content is shown in gzip. Maybe this is malware modified. That probably malware because it's compressed. So zip is a compressed file. Okay, and then close this get me. Okay, scroll down HTTP. So we must click HTTP. This one. Okay, and then in the HTTP dashboard, verify the absolute range. 2027, 1st of January. Okay. Okay, HTTP dashboard. Verify the absolute range 2254. Okay. So we need to change the value. Until 2257, 56, sorry, 56.00, and then go. Okay, scroll down HTTP side section of the dashboard. So what are some of the websites that list? So we have Home Improvement, tyubenme.com, Bing, Google Analytics, API Block Cheaper, Something Value Unrecognized, sharevalue.com, FV Download, Macromedia, Report for Print. Okay, so many websites. Okay, what you should know of the website from Truth we read here and offer a show approach. But not all this site is exploit with malware. You can search by each URL. Okay, from security website to search about this website URL is exploit or not. So like part of exploit campaign is this URL p27 homeimprovement.com, tyubenme.com, sportdeal.com, retrovisionbanda.com.ve. Okay, and then what are the HTTP meta list and tag cloud? So this one, text HTML until flex JavaScript also. So this is meta HTTP. Okay, so we finish part 1. Okay, part 2. So part 2 we need to open SQL. So we open SQL. So the username is also analyst and password is cyberops. Okay, we wait until loading finish. Okay. Okay, password cyberops. Okay, so select all sensor. So select all, start SQL. Okay. Okay, line, okay, the group alert. 27 January 2017. So go 2000. Okay, this one until this one. Okay, according to SQL, what are the timestamp for the first and last? So the first is 27 January 2017 at time 22:54:42 until 22:55:28. Okay. Okay, investigate the alert in SQL. So we need investigate some of this alert ID. Okay, so we select the ID 5.2. Okay. Okay, and then we select okay, signature. Okay. The signature you mean. So we should packet. Okay, select the current radius signature rule. Signature rule. Which malware family trigger is select? You may need to scroll through the alert signature. So okay, malware family is pseudo.launch. Okay, maximize the SQL. Okay, maximize. Okay, according to event message. Okay, event message. What exploit key? So exploit key is okay, exploit key. So we need to read event message. Okay, exploit key is RIG. RIG, okay. Beyond labeling attack, estrogen activity, what are the information provided? Slide 9. Okay. Sorry. So other information. Okay, maximum rescue according to event message. So you expect okay, beyond labeling the attack as a Trojan activity. So we go to Trojan activity. So maximize Trojan activity. So we see the information. This is malware family ransom. Where server. Server. By your bad estimate, looking at the alert so far, what is the basic data of the attack? How the attack played the attempt? The attack seems to have to play using a malicious software, malicious web page. Sorry. Okay, malicious web page, website. So go to the HTTP. Okay, reference MD5 metadata DSP. Call and put the parameter that is server manager create malware information update. Screen and release roles. Okay. So we see the top domain DNS. So we see the malware exploit with visiting a malicious web page. Okay, and then step 3. Okay, click ID 5.2 and then choose transcript. Right click transcript. Okay, what are the refer and host website involved in SRC event? So website that involved in this event ID 5.2 is a kitchen. So the user use Google, use search engine bing.com and then search home improvement remodeling your kitchen. Okay, and then user click www.homeimprovement.com. Okay, and then close this transcript, select other ID 5.24. Okay, transcript. Okay, refer country answer reference. So the kind of request was involved is HTTP 1.1 GET. Well, any file request, so request is DLE.js. So JS is JavaScript file. Then for the website, everything from my kitchen. Okay, what should I refer? So the URL is refer is homeimprovement.com kitchen cabinet.html. Okay. So website is and then the other website is rhetoricvision.bureau, okay, .com.be. Okay, how the content encoded? So encoded with gzip, zip file, the compressed file. Okay, close the current transcript. Okay, close. And then click ID 5.25. And then also click the transcript. Oh, sorry. Okay, transcript. So how many requests and response? So request 3. The blue one is a request 1, 2, and the last one is 3. Okay. So the right is respond. So we see each get, each request get respond. Okay, request and right respond, request blue, respond red, and then request, and then respond on the red. Okay, what the first? So we see the first request. Okay, so the file is get this value. Okay, what was the referral? Also the same as previous one, homeimprovement.com, remodeling your kitchen cabinet HTML. Okay, who was the host server? So host server tyu.com. Okay, respond, use encoding gzip. Okay. Second request is src post, and then this value. Okay, response encoder also the same like the first request, gzip. And then the last request. Okay, the last request, scroll down. Okay, sorry. Okay, file sources get this one. Okay. What was the content? So the content is shortwave, shortwave. Sorry, what was referred? Okay, what is content of the third response? So the third response is shortwave file. This one. Okay, application shortwave file. Okay, that was first creator of data response. The data start after DST. So after DST, entry. So we see the after the 3 character of data response. So we see the data CWS. So and then we need to search what is CWS file. So we go to this website, Wikipedia. Okay, so Control F. Control F. CWS. So the file is flash file. Okay. So we here. Okay, close the transcript window. So close. Right click the same ID again. So the same ID is 5.25. Okay. Okay, choose network miner. Right click, choose network miner. Okay, wait. Okay, click the file. Okay, how many files are there and what is the file type? So we have two HTML file and one SWF file. Okay. So we already finished part 1 and part 2. Okay, and then we go for part 3. Okay, Wireshark, and using Wireshark to investigate the attack. So the same SQL still used. Okay, go to event 5.2. Okay, right click, select Wireshark. Okay, and then we must change the value. So we need to see timestamp and the date and detail. So already set date and time of day, and then we choose a second. Okay, so filter this output. Filter with HTTP request. Okay, so we get a 3 file. Okay. What website directory is the www informant? So we go. Okay, click the first output, and then expand the arrow, have a text transfer protocol. Okay, now answer the question. What website direct to the user to www.homeinformant.com, the website. So default is http www.bin.com. Okay. Okay, view HTTP object. Okay. Then go to the Wireshark. Okay, click file, export object, and select HTTP. Okay. Close. Okay, select the remodeling your kitchen, and save. Okay, save. Okay, maximize, save. Already create before, so no need. Okay, if you first time use this packet tracer, you need to do this step. Okay, so already previously already do, so skip. Close Wireshark. Okay, we close Wireshark. SQL, right click on ID 5.24. Message Wireshark. Okay, so click Wireshark. Okay, then filter HTTP request. Okay. Okay, we see the application HTTP request for JavaScript. Okay, JavaScript with name jsdle.js. So this is a Java. What is the host server? Vision Nirvana. Okay, this one is retro tip Vision Nirvana. Okay, Wireshark for export. Okay, we need to save HTTP. So save. So already have. So you need to double check. Make sure the file at home folder. Okay. So step 3E already saved. Sorry, step 3D save. Okay, close Wireshark. Okay. So we go to the next ID 5.25. Right click Wireshark. Okay, apply filter HTTP request. Okay, we get 3 files: get, post, and get request. Okay, with the first packet selected, so we first packet in the packet detail, expand hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. Okay, so we go to the first packet. Okay, right click. Okay, application data. Right click. Host information and choose apply. Host information. Apply as a column. Host information. Okay, host information. Click select. Apply as a column. So we need to maximize. Okay. Okay, apply as a column. So we see the text transfer protocol as a column. Okay, to make room the host column, right click load column, let length column header. Length column header. If you want to unshow this tab, just unclick. Okay. Okay, the name of the server are now clearly visible to host column of the packet list. Okay, we go to Wireshark. Okay. Okay, then we go to other step. Part 3, step 4, create hash for export malware file. So, maximize this one. Okay, we know the user internet users access www.improvement.com, but the site refer to the site Eventually, file will download to the host from malware side. In this part of lab, we will access the file that we download and submit file hash to Aristotle. So we create hash file and we go to the aristotle.com website to search the hash is malware or not. Okay. Okay, validate file this part. In Wireshark, go to file, export object, HTTP, and the file. Okay. Okay, so we go to the Wireshark. Okay, Wireshark file, export object, HTTP. Okay. Save the two HTML file and the episode. So which means all file. Save all. Okay. Okay. Save all. Once again. Okay, close. Okay, double check. Export object, HTTP. Okay, so we have three file, Monkey, Vivaldi. So the same file exists, you must delete. Okay. Remain latest one. Okay, so we have Monkey, Vivaldi. Okay. Okay. Now you have saved the three file to your home. So already saved this file. So next step, open application, utilities, terminal. Okay. Then type command ls pipe grep -i monkey. Okay, done. Same like output in this lab. Okay, and then you need to generate SHA. So the command is SHA SVM. So type 4 alphabet, then back button. Okay, percent 3FD. Okay, so enter. So this is the hash value starting for 97 until 19. Okay, but you can also generate hash value. Okay, add this one. So I need to maximize. Okay, new winner. This one. Okay. Technique 2 to create SHA. Okay, new minor. Okay, click see monkey. This one, click. So value is same like you do using terminal. Okay, starting 97 and last 290. Okay, so the same value. Okay, next step. Okay, open browser and then go to virustotal.com. Okay, and then click search, copy this shell value. Sorry, full copy. Okay, copy, click paste, and then enter. Okay, so we get the value. Okay, what does Veroto tell you about this? So 35 engine detect this file as a malware. So we get detail from antivirus, AHN Lab, V3, Avast, Avira, and so on. So we have 35 signature from antivirus company that detect this is a malware. Okay. Close the browser and white shut. So close the browser. Then close the white shut. Okay. Click the 5.37. Okay. Okay. Okay, white shut. Let's speed this request. Okay. So we get also the same alerts, get post, get request to tyuandme.com. Okay, yes, yes, the name, get post same. Do you see any different? Yeah, see different. Okay, the file is different from previous. So we see the previous, we get C monkey, but this one, no C monkey. Okay, so the file is different. Okay, create share as I should the previous, it's the same malware that was downloaded the previous. Okay, so we do the same thing. SWF. Okay, Google file SWF. SWF file. Okay, Amia, okay, cool. Okay, other step, we go to ID 5.3. So the file is different, we see previously. So create shell, so right click, tengok mana, file, right click, calculate amplify, sorry. So the output SHA value is same like I did previously. So starting 97 until the last is 290. Okay. Yes, so it has mesh. Even though the file name is different. Okay. Okay. Close. Okay, and then last alert series are related. So we go the last for alert. So the time go the 27 January 2017. The last okay, last 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all 4 alerts confirmation to malware. So you see it's communicate to malware and top domain. Okay. This. So you need to see date 27, the 4 last detail, date, time, log. Okay, so this log, for log refer to the request to enter the domain. Okay, what is strange about the first alert? First alert. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The first alert. Okay, we see the EDP, EDP port to check in the website. Okay, spot 53 is a UDP. Okay, UDP is UDP. Or in search me. Okay, so UDP is 53. Okay. Okay, so you see the chain server. Let's see, nice. Okay, chain. Okay, you can see chain step. Okay. What the information is taken to the second and third alert series? So we see the third and the second series, place and second and third alert in the series. Okay, maximize. What is the suspicious? Second and third. Second. Okay, second, sorry. Okay, query to the domain and then we want to check in. Okay, the next queries they are related from the local host. I will select the result is number user activity. Okay. But they must identify malware to the top domain does not look like a valid domain name. Okay, this is not a valid URL name. Okay, just like this. Okay, so you see the output is DNS, standard query. Examine the last alert in the series in Wireshark. Okay, go to the virus, to the main use the attack. What is the result? Okay, so we see this URL. Okay, with Wireshark. You copy this reference. Okay, just Wireshark. This one. Okay, right click and go to the virustotal.com. Okay, you see this malware ST detect. ST trigger. Examine the last alert in the series in Wireshark. If it has only any subject or saving export and save them to your home, what are the file name, if any? Okay, examine the last alert in the series in Wireshark. Okay, and then we go to the last alert. So last alert is this one, ID 5.78. Okay, right click, Wireshark. Okay, HTTP request. Okay, file, export object, HTTP. Yes, we get our file name starting E 7E. Okay, finish part 3. Okay, so we go to the part 4 as my expert artifacts. Okay, screen open the remodeling your kitchen cabinet. HTML. So we go to the edit. Open remodeling kitchen. Okay, this one. Okay, can you find the two places to pay the upload draft attack the starter exploit? The first hit area, the second, and the second body. So the file is the script tag here, JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript. Okay, see the first public HTTP home improvement. Okay, the first is in the head area, sorry. Okay, meta history. Second is the body. So head. Okay, so here is text JavaScript. Okay. with the text file .gs message body. Sorry. Okay, so body is JS. Okay, class name is JavaScript. The frame that loads content from the UBNU. Okay. Okay, TYU, BNU, search TY. Okay, a frame is www.com. Okay, this is a HTML body file. Next, we open the file Java application, cd, open, add the document. Okay. Okay, this file do JavaScript. This is a JavaScript document. I will write content web page. Okay, so web page. The menu it. So we see this old style JavaScript to create a page. Okay, creating a frame. So frame. Then this use URL tye and tyubenme.com. How does the code in the JavaScript file attempt to avoid detection? So they use technique by split the end iframe tag into the two pieces, IFR, the EME. Okay, in the text they open the text HTML file was saved on home folder Vivaldi. So we close this file, open the new file, open the document, the document Vivaldi file. Okay, this one. The file what kind of file is? So this is file HTML. What is some interesting things about that frame? This is called anything. It's hidden. Okay, we need to go through this file. Okay, what some interesting things about the iframe? So we go to iframe. Okay. Windows set visible style visibility hidden. So we see about interesting of this file. It's hidden. Okay, call start. Okay. Okay, start with this. Start semicolon. What does the start function do? Okay, the start function is to write the browser windows. Okay, used to create HTML form and some variable normal URL to the post. Okay, normal variable equal HL at tyubenme.com. So search. Okay. So we maximize. So normal URL is criteria. So we must focus on the text in this paragraph. What is the example of get browser function is? So the get browser function is to determine the type of browser that web page is displayed in. Okay, so we'll finish all parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Okay, reflection. Exploit key are a fairly complex exploit that use a variety of methods and resources to carry out an attack. Interestingly, EKs may be used to deliver diverse malware payloads. So we see for the first parts is we acquire interesting knowledge about the malware with name EG-EK. Okay, RIG-EK, sorry. Therefore, RIG-EK has associated with a number of different malware payloads. The following question will you investigate it. So the EK used on number website, complete the table. Okay. So we use URL bin.com, IP, we see none, function, search engine like web page. Okay, function. Okay. URL we see on this lab is home improvement. The IP address 104.28.18.74. Function of the website to malicious friend redirect to malicious site. So this website URL is already compromised with malware. And then the second one is retrotipvisionurbana.com.ve with IP address 139.59.116.143. Okay, use the function execute malicious JavaScript. And then the third one, tyubenme.com, is the famous URL we see on each part of this lab. IP address 194.87.234.129. Function is delivery malicious edit flash file, exploit landing page. And then also we get a nothing URL, but the IP address we seen in this lab is 19.2.10.0. Is server and server check-in server. And then the last one URL p27.dok hpz2n7nvgr.1jjw2lx.top with IP address 198.105.151.50. Function to server ransom page. Okay. Okay, it is useful to tell the story of exploit, understand what happened and how it works. Start with the user searching. Okay, answer this of this lab is part of the question to start student thinking about the multiple step nature of EK and the complexity of step in general. So in this lab, the student will know about the technique, complexity to make a malware and then redirect website. Website is we seen is a normal website, not suspicious, but after we get this lab go through part 1, part 2, and part 3, we see the malware with a SHA value. It's a malware exploit. Use several URL. Okay, the user searching will be information on the user click information.com. This website has been compromised. So we already click this website. So we see the home improvement. We go to the virustotal.com. We see this website is still triggered, and website is already compromised as a threat actor to distribute malware payload. Okay, thank you.